Today is July 23rd. It's 7:12 in the morning. The market opens at 9:30. I figured it was time to just stop in and just talk about what's been happening and how it's been impacting my portfolio. I was away for on a vacation really. Monday was fine, and then all of a sudden I saw the market dropping. And it was fine because it was a good time to see how the market would react based on the current modeling. As you can see here, since November, we have been in an uptrend. The market has been rising. In past videos, I've said that, I follow mostly this green line. As long as it stays above that green line, I would take positive action. But over the last week, we've seen it dip below this green line. This green line being the 20-day exponential moving average. It didn't get as far down as the red line, which is the 50-day exponential moving average. We can see that there's somewhat of a bounce. We just recently had some news over the weekend that President Biden is going to be dropping out the race, which kind of changes the landscape somewhat of what's going to be happening in the future. We will be having a lot of uncertainty. So, will the market go up? Will the market go down? I don't know. But right now, it seems like it is trying to stabilize. It's not necessarily in my positive territory where I would be buying back anything. But right now it is trying to stabilize, and we'll see what happens, even as early as today, what happens over the rest of the summer. So how has that impacted my portfolio? Let's go here to my performance. So I'm on the portfolio page. So year to date, still kind of neck to neck with the NASDAQ 100. Right now, year to date, after yesterday's performance, I have 18.03, and the NASDAQ 100 is 17.81%. You can see over the last week or so, it's still been like here, July 9th, it was up 20. I was trailing the NASDAQ 100 for a little bit, but on that dip, and this is the reason why I create the portfolio the way I do, is to, when the NASDAQ 100 goes down, the intent is that this Model 1 portfolio is not supposed to go down as fast as the NASDAQ 100. Okay. So how is this accomplished? Let's go over and take a look at my positions. All right. So the first things first is using TQQQ. I am at 31% of the portfolio. When it goes above 35, 36%, then I will sell down a position, a contract really. Sorry, not contract, but one of the a lot. All right, UPRO for me, that is 3% of the portfolio. The target is 5%. I will try to let that go up until maybe 8% and then sell off something. Right now I only have one position there, so it's kind of difficult to sell that one, so I'll just keep that there. Everything else is really sitting in my money market fund, which is a cash equivalent, as well as this CD, Goldman Sachs CD, 5.4%, which did deposit some cash in here over the last month. So basically, I am trying to have more than 45% of my money sitting in cash in order to do something when the opportunity provides itself. When is that opportunity? Depending on my percentages, it is when I get over this green line. So that is basically where I'm at. We will see what happens as we move forward. Will this go up? Will this go down? We're not sure. But I feel fairly safe with the allocation that I currently have to be able to write this out. So that's it for today. Have a great day.